Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dar Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 13, we are going to learn how to use the switch case statement in the Ruby programming. This is another type of condition statements. And in the first, we will use if-else statement to understand this method. Now we are going to create a great program here. And first of all, I am going to display great program great program using case statement. And remember that if and else we will use at that place when we have lot of options, while we will use the great program where we have a limited options. For example, male or female, you can say that. So first of all, I am going to get the values for the students marks. Please okay please enter the marks of the student. Okay, on that basis we will get the value in marks and use gets dot to underscore I, so that it will convert the value into the integer form. So now here we will start the case syntax. First of all, you need to write case and then use the variable on which you want to apply the condition, and at the end it will be the end keyword for that. Then first we will use when, and remember that you will always give the smaller value, and then these two dots will represent the range, range, and then here is the range. When this condition will be, it means 90, 91, 92 up to that 100, then we will display you got A plus grade. Okay. Similarly, if the condition was from 89 to 80, then we will send the message you got A grade, something like this. And when the student got 79 to 70 marks, we will show the message you got B plus grade. And all those who are very familiar with the C++, they know that the switch case is widely used in the programming, where we have the options are here. Okay, we have something missing here. We will must give the smaller one to the larger one. This will be the condition. It means we will use 70 to 79 range, and then our program will okay. If you will use the other condition, then it will display the wrong message to you. You got B grade. So when you have 50 to 59, then we will give the message you got C grade. And if we will want to show that all other students will fail in the exam, then we will give the else here, and you are fail in the exam. Okay, now it's done. We will need to run this program, great program. Click on it and run the program. Then we will have this compiled format of our program. I am giving the, for example, 78, you got B grade. Similarly, run the program once again. Let's suppose I am giving 36 marks. You can see you are fail in the examination. Similarly, this will work very fine. Remember that if you are not so much familiar with this two dots operator, then you can give something like this, comma, and then separate the value with 94, 95, 96, 97, and 98 and 99, comma. And now we will run this program. Then you can see that the same result will be here. So it was better to use this range operator rather than to use this one. For example, I will give 95, you got 8 plus marks. So both are fine, very well. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.